Yeah, welcome more again to the Sunny Slim Effect. And you know, Sunny Slim Effect is the channel you have to always visit when it comes to online tutorials. And today we are talking about opening a PayPal business account. Ever since PayPal emerged to be one of the foremost most used online payment service platform, PayPal has made payments seamless for many internet marketers and people who do business online, whether e-commerce, whether people who trade online or people who buy things online, people who pay other people for who pay merchants online. People have made it very easy. But over here in Nigeria, some users are having a kind of hard time to pay and receive. Mostly our challenges here in this part of the world is a PayPal that can receive money. But over today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a working business PayPal that can receive money, and also you can use it to make payments. So in this tutorial, you're going to learn it, you're going to see how to create it, and that will ease your online payment activities for you to be able to receive funds from your client and you to make payment out. So make sure you hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification while we head down to our screen right now. Let's go there. Okay, yeah, we're back on how to get that business PayPal for you on this screen. First thing you have to do is to visit paypal.com. Of course, you know paypal.com / it will link you to paypal.com/ng/home, which is our country domain for PayPal. Meanwhile, we are going to open a Lesotho PayPal, so you have to search for PayPal Lesotho. Let me see what Google gives us. Google give us, let's see what Google gave us. Google give us a link to show all country and markets which PayPal are available. PayPal is available in more than 200 country regions and supports in 5 currency. Wow, that's incredible. So let's click on this. Let's navigate into so many countries. You can see in Africa there's Algeria, Angola, Benin, Botswana, Burkina Faso. There are so many countries all across Nigeria. People operate. There's our country, Nigeria. So we are searching for Lesotho. Let's see Lesotho. This is we are going to use Lesotho PayPal because that is what I know. That's the kind of PayPal I use to receive and make payments. Sometimes I receive payment basically with it and transfer it to my card, and I'm going to show you all the steps in this tutorial. But first, you have to make sure you like my channel. Visit my channel, the Sunny Slim Effect, and you see all other tutorials. This is my channel. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to this channel, make sure you turn on the bell notification for you to be able to receive all updates on newer video I post. You'll be the first to receive it, and make sure you like this video that I'm going to prepare and make several other videos that are on my channel as well. Make sure you always show the love, share it to people that need information rules the world in today's business space. So here is it. We are going to PayPal Lesotho. We also have PayPal Euro, PayPal Asia, PayPal America, and also PayPal AE. That's for the United Arab Emirates. You can also open that, but we are using PayPal Lesotho. You can see you just have to visit paypal.com/ls. That shows that you are using the Lesotho. You are signing up for a Lesotho PayPal. You can see it right here, paypal.com/ls. You can see it right here. See it. Okay, I don't know, my zoom is, I see that. So what we need to do is click on sign up. You can see it. When you click on sign up, it takes you to this other page. You can see there's personal accounts which can shop in your country around the world from your computer or your mobile phone, all without sharing. So we open a business account. Business account is the account we are using right now to accept payment and send invoice to your customer. It is easier and more secure to sell to anyone, anywhere, and anytime. So we are opening a business PayPal account. So this is step 3 we're going to take. So we are opening a Lesotho PayPal. So you see, this is the email. Then you put your email. I'm using, okay, then password. As the password for the PayPal, it's as simple as ABC. Business contact, your legal first name. Let me put my name. You put in your name. You put in your surname as it is on your ID card. Business details. You can put. Okay, let me put in. Okay, you can still leave it. Then business phone number, you can see it is in Lesotho because we are signing up a Lesotho paper, but leave that for now. You can change it to Nigeria. You can put in your Nigerian phone number. Put in your Nigerian phone number. Let me look for some other number. Let me put in my other. Okay. Yeah, you can put in your Nigerian phone number. Then you can put in your business address. You can leave your address like that. You can leave your currency in US dollar. Make sure you leave your currency in US dollar. You can put, after you put in your business address, leave your currency in US dollar. Then you click agree and continue. Let me check everything is perfect. Okay. Then click on agree and continue. So you can now describe your business. If it is an individual or sole proprietorship type of business, a sole proprietorship business, corporation, partnership, private corporation, and so on. And you can see all of them. For me, I rather choose individual sole proprietorship. You can search for the keyword. You can search for. You can put anything: professional service, marketing consultants. You can put miscellaneous food store. You can. There are so many business, product and service keywords you can list there. You can put professional service. As for website, you leave it, or let's change to market management consulting and public relation. Let's leave our website optional. Then date of birth, you can put in your date of birth here. Nationality, then you change it to Nigeria. Then ID card, you can put national ID number. You can use your passport number. You can driver license. All they need is just the number. So you can put your national ID. You can put in your national ID number here, which is like your NIN. I'm sure it's NIN. So you can leave, then this home address, you can still leave it as same as business address, or you can still uncheck it and put a business address. So for me, I rather leave it like that. So everything is perfect. Then you click on submit. As you can see now, it's now leading us to our dashboard or to paper. You can see this is our PayPal we've created, our Lesotho PayPal. You can use it to receive money and make payment. But then some other things, the next thing is to confirm your email address. Click on confirmation. Once you confirm your email address, on confirm, you click on confirm. So let me confirm my email address. So I've confirmed my email address and it links me to my dashboard automatically. You can see our newly created PayPal.
Then the next thing you do is to link your debit card. This is where you are going to send your money to when somebody pays you for a services, or you receive money. When there's an inflow of money, you are able to send it either to your credit card or your link a bank account. But me, I usually use a credit card to link. You can see it will tell you to link a card, either debit or credit card. You can see it. You can see your card type: Visa, Master, American Express. So what you do is head down to UBA Bank and ask them for a UBA prepaid Naira card or a UBA prepaid dollar card. For me, I prefer a UBA prepaid Naira card because I have a UBA account and I'm able to transfer funds from my card whenever I transfer from PayPal to my card, to my linked UBA prepaid Naira card. I'm able to transfer the Naira equivalent, the Naira value, to my savings account. So I can now easily use it for whatever I want to use it for. But if you want to request for a prepaid dollar card, a prepaid USD card is also good. You can also use it and to shop online whenever you have money from your PayPal. Whenever you've transferred money from your PayPal to your dollar card, to your UBA prepaid dollar card. So walk into any UBA branch, ask them for their prepaid card, Naira or dollar. You link it up. That's the only card I know that is working right now. That's the only card I know. You can try your other bank card, but UBA prepaid card is far functioning perfectly. So once you link your card, you can now start receiving payments with your PayPal, with the email you used to create your PayPal. That email you use at the beginning of the creation, you give it to your client and they pay you through it. You receive your money, then you transfer to your card, to your prepaid card, Naira or dollar. I use my Naira. I keep telling you I use Naira. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with that. Once it's me and transfer it from my phone because I linked it to my savings account. You don't need to have a UBA savings account for you to walk into the bank to request a prepaid dollar or Naira card. You don't need to be a UBA savings account holder. For me, I have a UBA savings account already for a long, so it's much better that way. So it makes me easy to transfer money from my prepaid card to my savings account in UBA. Then I can now enjoy my money. So it's all up to you. So if you find any value in this video I've created, make sure you hit the like button, share this video, comment under this video if you encounter any problem, if you need any more information you are encountering. Comment under this video and make sure you subscribe to this video and make sure you share this video as well. Turn on the bell notification for you to be able to receive more updates on anytime I upload videos. So thank you once more for being part of this PayPal tutorial, and I wish you the best in all your endeavor. Boom.